I probably have $2 million worth of press vehicles enter and leave my possession every single year. The number is probably higher. Even though they are loaners, they are my responsibility once they arrive on my property. That's one of the reasons why I recently upgraded my on-site security system with the ANNKE W300, dubbed the smartest 2K Super HD day and night wireless IP security camera. Now, IP stands for Internet Protocol. It's a type of digital video camera that receives control data and sends image data via an IP network. They are commonly used for surveillance, but unlike analog closed-circuit television cameras, they require no local recording device, only a local area network. Now, this IP camera can work standalone and record videos locally by inserting an SD card, which I have done, or by connecting to a network video recorder. Now, this camera is not just for surveillance. You can also hear real-time audio and talk to people. It offers two-way audio to enhance the security coverage and the ability to interpret events. So I can talk to the UPS or FedEx driver to confirm a package delivery or say hi to a visitor or a guest. You can even record your own voice to deter intruders. Now, this camera may be small in size, which I like, but it's huge on features. For example, remote access. You can access the camera remotely via your smartphone with a free app, which is simple to set up. Motion alerts. Get app pushes with snapshots when there are motion events. There's a digital zoom. You can view small and distant objects with incredible detail. Plug and play. So you can plug the camera to an outlet and set it up in the app, and it's all done in a matter of minutes. You can even use simple voice commands to access your live stream directly without smartphones or computers needed with Alexa hands-free voice control. The camera can detect if a moving object is human or not with advanced AI human shape detection. That's pretty smart. That means you can get motion alerts only when a person approaches your front door, not when a bird flies by. With an IP66 waterproof rating and rugged metal housing, this Wi-Fi camera can be installed outdoors or indoors and brave just about anything from torrential downpours to freezing or broiling temperatures. This is very reasonably priced as well. You can purchase two of them for just over $100. To learn more details and product information, just click the link below this video.